Hey folks, hard to believe it's been 9 years. You remember where you were 9 years ago yesterday, and today that orange line represents Hurricane Dolly, which went right across the northern part of the valley. It was a Category 2 out here, back down to a Category 1 when it made landfall right near the mouth of the Arroyo, then went across Willacy County, northern Hidalgo County, and then faded away. It left an awful lot of rain in its wake. 16 inches plus, some places 20 inches, basically North Harlingen all the way up to the western part of Hidalgo County and right out to the coast. Very heavy rainfall. Strongest winds about 100 miles an hour on the coast and then diminishing as it moved inland, with still 60 to 70 across Hidalgo County. It was 9 years ago yesterday that it made landfall, but the rain lasted for a couple of days and the wind just lasted through that day on the 23rd, and hard to forget that. A lot of folks still dealing with issues from that. Tonight, the tropics, quite a contrast, about as quiet as it can be in the Gulf. The Caribbean's quiet, the Atlantic exceptionally quiet, nothing going on as well. Where it's not quiet, the Pacific, look at this. Greg, Irwin, and Hillary all working their way westward. Hillary, the hurricane, going to kind of go off to the west, maybe northwest, but all staying away from land. None of these storms a threat to land at all. In the meantime, back in Texas tonight, things are a little more active. Scattered showers and thunder showers over the state earlier today. Big Ridge still in control, but there's a little bit of a bump in that ridge. That's allowing some tropical moisture to come in tomorrow, giving us that 10% or so chance of a couple of showers around. Sea breeze stuff stays mostly in the coastal counties. Slightly better chance of some stuff on Wednesday. 10%, but slightly better chance of it moving inland a little farther. And then by Thursday, the upper level wind flows back out of the northeast. Once that happens, we're hot and dry again and likely to stay that way through the weekend. In fact, it could be a bit hotter over the weekend. We're forecasting highs over 100. That may be conservative. It could be 104, 105, 106 in the western part of the valley. Rain chances, they're there, but not a very good chance. By Monday, we sneak a 10% chance back in there. High temperatures, the norm for this time of year is 96. And look at this, we go up to an average of 102 by the time we get to the weekend. So across the area tonight, 79, warm, humid, mainly clear. And then tomorrow we're back up to 98 with spotty showers around. Nothing big, nothing widespread. Best chance in Cameron and Willacy counties, but at least a shower or two in the area. That holds for Wednesday as well. Then Thursday, I don't think we see much left, and by the weekend it's all gone. And those highs of 102, nighttime lows of 80. That implies a lot of humidity to go with it. By Monday, maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm shows up again. But the bottom line, slight chance the next couple of days. After that, we are hot and dry through the weekend. That is your updated First Alert 5 forecast.